It's weekend, so I decide to share the simple yet tasty recipe with you. It's called chilla. First of all, we will take 4 medium spoon of gram flour and then add salt. According to taste, red chili, black pepper powder and mix it well, then add little water until you get thick but runny consistency. Then add chopped onion, green chili and coriander into the mixture and mix it well. Mixture will look like this and it's ready to cook chillas. I prefer to eat this with chai, you can skip it. Our towa is ready to cook chillas, so we will take little amounts and then spread it over the towa just like roti and let it cook for a few minutes. I took half onion, 2 green chili and few stamps of coriander, 4 spoon gram flour. These ingredients are enough to make easy snack for 2 peoples. After few minutes, flip it to other side and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You not need to add extra masala, keep it simple to get real taste. Then flip it one more time and you will get your soft, tasty and healthy chilla. Serve it hot with tea or the way you like. Hope you like this recipe. It took just 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for more recipes.